Hey guys, just got some stuff in the mail for the AR-15 shoot coming up. First is got the BladeTech single mag pouch and a couple of these guys. They're cool. They got the clips on them. You can put them on my pistol belt or even that $30 gun belt that Big Johnson recommended. It's pretty sturdy, nice thick belt. Gotta hold the looks like a 30, but it's a 10 rounder California magazine. That way I can get a couple of these on my belt for the shoot. And the main box opening is to get rid of this red dot here. There she is. Bushnell TRS 25. Little guy for sure. That should do the trick there. Comes with a riser. I gotta check my height and everything to see if clear this A2 front sight. I got a little riser here, so one of the two may get the job done. But just a quick box opening. The Bushnell TRS 25. Thanks to Big Johnson, and a lot of people recommended this. Chuck Connors was another. So thanks guys for about 60 bucks. Got a little red dot I can use. I got these mag holders. But the mag pull grip on there, just a little grippier, and another stock I had laying around. Looking forward to the AR-15 long gun match at the end of the month. So just a quick box opening, won't keep it too long. So thanks for watching. Take care.